Mobilay, lamang sa local scoring.
Wow! Sos Mariosep! Ikaw nang mapunta sa game number 7. Pinagtulungan si Williams ni Capasio at ni Solis, pero yung triple ni Silas Mills na bitawan. Napunta kay Jerry Esplana. Esplana pa rin. Dilapik sa likod ni Al Solis. And they come back the other way. Solis looking, taking the shot and gets the basket. John Best nasapal sa likod. Pero pumasok pa rin.
Ay, nako. So si T. McClary.
McClary gets
Ayun.
away.
Well, walang help defense ang Sheldon. Hindi nila tinulungan si Chris Jackson.
John Best, sisiksik sa loob. Oh, binalibag yung bola, pasok pa rin.
Paulit-ulit yung play na yun ng Shell. Ano?
Outside to Glenn Capasio.
Yo!
53-51. What a ball game. Oh, outside shot. Si Silas Mills naman for 3. Tignan nga, natuluyan na. Ito na si T. McClary. Hinabol ni Williams. Binigay kay Capasio. Tuloy-tuloy sa basket. And that will go in. Welcome back mga kaibigan. Well, bago tayo magpasimula ng ating third quarter, tutukan muli natin ang ating guard matchup.
Tingnan natin mga numero nila. Lamang dito si John Best sa puntos, rebounds. Lamang si Silas Mills, pareha sa assist. Pero nakikita natin, tignan mo na lang sa litrato. Yung intensity talaga ni John Best talaga nandyan. Yung si Silas Mills naman, medyo kulang pa sa intensity. Tignan natin sa second half. Ha?
Ngiti ng konti, medyo galit ng konti. Samantala, yung ating mga numero naman sa loob ng shaded lane, sa Dutch Boy in the paint.
Well, tingnan natin yung inside points. Dito lamang yung Shell ng 2 points. Rebounds, lamang naman Mobiline. They cancel each other. Blocks, lamang lang ng 1 block ang Shell. So dito nakita natin parehas sa labanan dito sa in the paint ng Dutch Boy.
And again, welcome Philippines to game number 7 of the Governor's Cup Finals. Ito po ang kahuli-hulihang laro ng ating centennial year ng Bayan ng Superstars. And what a classic game it has been so far. We start the third quarter and Jerry Esplana opens up the scoring. 12 points in the ball game para kay Jerry Esplana Yeng. And what a game he's playing today.
Tuloy ang magandang laro ng mga locals, especially Jerry Esplana at the guard position.
Silas Mills now going to work. And he gets the first 2 points dito sa third quarter para naman sa Mobiline.
Mukhang matindi itong pace na ito. Yung first 2 offensive thrust ng parehong team, madali sila naka-score.
Inside, nice entry pass. Malakas ang tira. Ang rebound nakuha ni Silas Mills. McClary now playing at may 4 na fouls po. Mga kaibigan, si T. McClary, he picked up 4 fouls back in the second quarter. Capasio from the corner pocket. Wala. Picks up his own miss.
Nakita natin yung ball movement nila ron, maganda pa rin. Nahuli pa yung rotation, pero ito, naka-adjust na yung shell rotation dito.
Mills, nakakita ng puwan. Yung pasa niya, nasapal. Mills pa rin. Sasaksak sa loob. Nasapal na naman ang bahagya. Medyo nagpilit din si Silas Mills, ha?
Oo, pwede siya dumrapas, pero he chose to take it himself. John Best.
Nice fast break play para sa Formula Shell. John Best with a total of 16. And the lead is back to 5 points, 47-42. And that's a good call.
Yun, tumama sa paa ni Glenn yun.
Tinapik ni Williams, tumama huli sa binti ni Glenn Capasio.
Ito naging problema doon sa umpisa ng first half kanina. Itong Mobiline din. Pagkagaling ng timeout o pagkagaling ng break, mababa pa yung kanilang intensity pagpasok.
Oo. McClary nilabas kay Al Solis, libre si Capasio. Inilapit niya, nilaglag kay Eric Reyes. Binalik kay McClary, wala.
Oh, Esplana, rumi-rebound na lang. Hindi lang nagko-contribute sa offense. Does some other little things for his team.
Ang average niyan 2.5 rebounds lamang kada laro. Pero dito sa larong ito, talagang si Jerry Esplana parang ito na ang pagkakataon ko makakuha muli ng corona since my rookie year in 1990. Turn around ni John Best. Going short. Still a 5-point lead for Formula Shell.
Tingnan natin, Silas Mills gustong makabawi dito sa second half.
Outside to Glenn Capasio. And Glenn Capasio has been hot from the outside. 8 points in the ball game. Dalawang PLDT long distance conversions. A nice steal. Pinagtulungan si Williams ni Capasio at saka ni Solis. Pero yung triple ni Silas Mills na bitawan. Napunta kay Jerry Esplana. Esplana pa rin. Dilapik sa likod ni Al Solis. And they come back the other way. Solis looking, taking the shot and gets the basket. And it's a tied ball game at 47.
Well, you really have to appreciate the guards of Mobile and Glenn Capasio and Al Solis. Hindi na nila iniintindi kung ano mang gawin ng import nila, basta they'll do their job.
It has been the locals for both teams. John Best, nasapal sa likod, pero pumasok pa rin.
Ay, nako. Well,
Disgrasya pa.
Oo, yun ang mga tinatawag nating breaks of the game
Oo.
again.
Siguro kung hindi nahawakan nyo, baka malakas yung tira eh. Oy, si McLaren naman yung spin move niya. And now the action and the scoring has picked up a scorching pace dito sa third quarter. 8 minutes and 8 seconds remaining.
Kinailangan lang pala ng ilang minuto bago mag-init from the break itong dalawang team na ito.
Tira ni Donald Williams on the lane. Runner off the lane. And Williams now with a total of 12 points. Back to a 2-point lead para sa Formula Shell. Mobiline has tasted the lead only once.
Ito si T. McClary.
McLaren gets
Ayun!
away!
Well, walang help defense ang Sheldon. Hindi nila tinulungan si Chris Jackson. Walang kalaban-laban si Chris Jackson kung gano'n ang posisyon ng depensa. No? They have to send him some help. Ay double team.
John Best, sisiksik sa loob. Oh, pinalipag yung bola, pasok pa rin.
Paulit-ulit yung play na yun ng Shell. Ano? They go to that play every time. Pero hanggang ngayon, medyo may lapses pa yung Mobiline defense. Hindi nakaka-adjust kagad.
53 to 51. What a ball game. Oh, outside shot! Si Cyrus Mills naman for 3. And Mobiline back on top by 1, 54 to 53.
Nag-iba yung tema. It used to be a defensive game. Now it's an offensive game for both teams.
Akala mo shootout eh, no?
Yes.
Tira ni Paras, nakuha ni Silas Mills. Humaharurot pababa. Mills pa rin, behind the back. Muntik na mapitawan, nabigay kay Al Solis. Mills gives it to Capasio, wide open! Wala!
Ayun, pagka malapit, nagmiminti si Glenn eh. Kaninang malayo, ang ganda ng percentage niya.
Esplana, muntik na magawa, muntik na nga, natuluyan na. Eto na si T. McLaren, hinabol ni Williams, binigay kay Capasio, tuloy-tuloy sa basket. And that will go in. And Mobiline is on a rampage. They're online here. And they're on top by 3 and they're rocking.
Momentum shift na ito, napunta na sa Mobiline.
What a ball game. Game number 7 and we're happy to have you with us, Philippines.
Well, this is a good move here, slowing down the tempo a little bit.
Outside shot, nothing there. At tapik na ko ni T. McLaren. At may foul si Chris Jackson. Oh, pambihira itong larong ito.
Ay, nako, game 7 na to. Championship.
And this is only one half of our doubleheader tonight. Eric Altamirano looking on as his team has erected a 3-point lead. All of a sudden, his imports are alive and kicking. They're on top by 3.
Lipavitan, the official energy drink of the PBA. Lipavitan gets you going.
He played possum in the first half, but in the second half, Silas Mills has exploded. And you talk about passion, well, this is not just the passion of the nation. This is a way of life. Ito po ang PBA. And this is game number 7 ng Governor's Cup Finals. Inside, Eric Reyes faking, almost sparing the basket. Ang tapik na punta kay Benji Paras.
Pakaganda sana noon, would have continued the momentum for Mobiline. Tignan natin local scoring, oh. Mobiline, lamang sa local scoring.
Wow! Sos Mariosep! Ikaw na ang mapunta sa game number 7. And this is where you raise the intensity and your level of play. Donald Williams on the rise. Watch it again.
Tignan natin, tignan nyo itong tirang to, habulin ni Glenn.
Well, you want heroes on the rise?
Yun.
That's a hero on the rise.
At pagka hindi nyo napanood tong larong to, naku, laki nang na-miss nyo sa buhay nyo.
Laki.
Ay, nako. Kailangan
Where
panoorin.
have you been? Tandaan niyo po mga kaibigan, this is only half of our coverage in our second game today. Ang ating unang laro sa 13th Asian Games, yung Philippine Centennial Basketball Team. And we have very good news for all of you. Bagamat itong Kazakhstan hindi natin na-scout at malaking koponan. It was a very, very good game mga kaibigan, and you watch that ball game, I'm sure it will keep you awake dahil pambihira daw ang ating nakuhang balita
Oo.
mula sa Bangkok.
Magandang laro yun. Alam mo ba itong Kazakhstan na ito? Malakas na team ito. Ha?
Malakas
Mga
ito.
Russian Republic ito dati. So malalaki yan at saka malalakas na tao yan.
Hindi na babanggit ito pero ito yung tipong kasing lalaki ng inject sa pagdating sa kanilang kupunan.
Baka mas malaki pa.
Oo. Samantala, dinodomina ng Mobiline ang offensive rebounding, although may inahawakang risk ngayon itong si T. McClary. A foul called on, let's see, Benji Paras on this play. Maganda yung offensive rebound dito eh. Kita mo, ayun ang foul. Susundot, sinabay.
Yun ang foul.
Ayun. McClary will go to the free throw line. Also, paalala lamang mga kaibigan, tuloy-tuloy po ang VTV coverage, exclusive coverage of the 13th Asian Games. Heroes on the rise every day, every night. Ang aming coverage. Today, of course, i-feature natin ang unang laro ng Philippine basketball team laban sa Kazakhstan, anchored in Manila by Randy Sakdalan at si Norman Black. They're already in the studio right now. And of course, sa Bangkok, Ed Picson and Andy Howe taking care of matters. 9 p.m. tonight, right after game number 7. But this game is far from over. 90s, or rather 57 all. Tabla ang ating talaan under 5 minutes to play in the third quarter.
Dikit na dikit, kasamang Noli. And sinasabi natin, which team has a bigger heart, which team is hungrier. Eto, malapit na nating makita sagot.
And which team is destined to win another crown? Outside shot! He is red hot here in the third quarter. Total of 9 points para kay John Best. May kabuwang 23 puntos. Abante muli ng 3 ang Formula Shell. Hindi bumibitaw ang kahit na anong kupunan dito. Ha?
Oo, at puro double team na rito sa Shell. Ang kailangan bantayan nila, yung 3-point shot.
Muntik na maagawan. 6 seconds na lamang sa shot clock ng Mobiline. McClary knows it. Ang bola natapik. Kailangan niya nang itira. Muntik na pumasok. Offensive rebound ni McClary. Ay, ang ganda ng tapik ni Jerry Plana sa ilalim. And there's going to be a foul against Silas Mills. That's a tremendous play mula kay Jerry Plana.
Napakagandang play para kay Jerry. Agaw na yon, 2 points na yon para kay McClary, pero na-convert pa niya sa isang steal. Ayan, tignan natin ang aksyon dito. Malinis ang pagkakatapik ni Jerry sa ilalim.
Pati
Ayun.
pala si Williams
Sa likod
Oo,
natapik ni Williams.
nakasali dun sa play na yon. And that cost Mobiline possession. And you know, we have a very colorful crowd dito sa loob ng Cuneta Astrodome. Cheering on both teams. Evenly divided itong Astrodome today, ha?
Oo. At saka, alam mo, itong mga fans ng both sides, they're just really cheering for their team, ha?
They're also very hungry for a victory.
Oo.
This is actually a rematch ng Centennial Cup Finals na pinanalunan ng Mobiline. Nice tap, tumama sa huli. Dun sa binti ni Patrick Fran, it will remain with Formula Shell.
That's another good break here. Nagkakasunod-sunod yung break ng Shell dito.
Well, you talk about breaks. Yeng, sabi nga natin, ang Mobiline has never won dito sa Cuneta Astrodome. Mr. Oscar Reyes, ang top man ng Formula Shell or ng Pilipinas Shell. 3-point lead para sa Shell. Outside shot, in and out. Rebound. Tumama kay Patrick Farah. Napunta ngayon kay Silas Mills. He will spin. Naagawan siya ni Jackson. Ahead si John Best. Good night! Yes!
Lumayo na si Tim McClary. Mabuti na control niya yung sarili niya. Ha?
Muntik na yun.
Muntik na siyang pumal doon ulit kay John Best.
And it's back to a 5-point lead. Mills. Yoy! Confident shot. Walang rebounder doon, Yeng.
Cool na cool, oh.
Another PLDT long distance bomb. 16 points para kay Silas Mills. Adding 8 points dito sa third quarter.
Nakapress na ng full court itong Mobiline, adding more pressure to the guards, on the guards of Shell.
2 minuto, 45 saglit po. Nalalabi sa ating third. 3 seconds to shoot. Bailout shot. Nothing there. Rebound ni John Best. Yes!
Oh, tumigil na naman si Silas Mills. Hanggang hindi mo naririnig yung pito, kailangan diretso laro lang.
Diretso. McClary. Yoy! Papasok din yan.
Ay.
Woo!
Kung ano yung coolness ni Silas Mills, yun naman yung talagang aggressiveness at gigil nitong si T. McClary. Ha?
Hingal kabayo, mga kaibigan, ng magkabilang koponan. And we need this break. Ito po ang bayan ng Superstars and we're in game number 7. Muli po isang magandang gabi sa inyo lahat mga kaibigan, lalong-lalo na sa aking mga kalalawigan sa Laguna, sa San Pablo City, of course, sa Los Baños, Laguna. Bah, kita mo naman yan. Salamat sa inyo lahat.
Ay, nako.
Well, you are now being seen on Vintage Television.
Ganun pala paraan para makakuha ka sa TV, ha?
The night is alive on VTV and so is this ball game. It's just a 1-point lead para sa Formula Shell, 64-63.
Ito na yung guard pressure ng Mobiline. Well, they caught up with Shell with this kind of pressure. Nakita natin kanina, not too much science in this game. Talagang labo-labo, bara-bara na.
Ikaw na, ako
Ayun,
na. Yan
ikaw.
naman, si Victor Pablo naman. Nagpapasimula na rin kumiling. First 2 points ni Victor Pablo and he certainly has to pick up his scoring. Ano, Yeg?
Yes, at yun, importante. Yung mga teammates niya nag-contribute na. Kailangan makapag-contribute na rin si Vic Pablo.
Mills pulling up for a 3. Pa naman!
Woo!
Silas
Ngayon.
Mills.
Ngayon, nag-iinit ito si Silas Mills. Ngayon, importante at ngayon siya kailangan.
That is his third triple of the quarter. Pang-apat na niyang PLDT long distance shot. 19 points para kay Mills. Williams, binobala sa bal! Nice block ni Silas Mills.
Well, on both ends of the court, biglang nabuhayan itong si Silas Mills.
McLary, inilabas kay Al Solis. Sees Mills. Hinahanap na ngayon nila si Mills. Cross court. Ang haba ng pasa dito. Solis tumira sa labas. Masyadong malakas. Lead pass. Nako. Delikado. Andun si Patrick Fran. Binangga. Offensive foul.
Yun ang problema ni Donald Williams. Finishing on the fast break. He's not that strong a player to finish on the fast break. Gusto niya pull-up jumper pero nakapwesto na si Patrick Fran.
And Patrick Fran is not a member of the all-defensive team for nothing. Tabla pa rin po ang ating talaan. A minute and 10 seconds remaining. Mills gives it to Capasio. Yes! And Mobiline balik sa lamang. 68-66. A minute remaining in the third.
Well, Shell needs to organize in this play dahil kanina pa sila nakukunan ng momentum nitong Mobiline. This is the two-man game, pick and roll.
Esplana, tinirahan si Patrick Fran. Not the shot, not the best shot you wanna take. Doon sa
Oo.
sitwasyon na yun.
It's not a good shot to take, especially in that situation. May oras pa sila.
37 seconds dito sa third quarter. Mills, nakakalas!
Ay, ito na.
Silas Mills.
Well, kasamang Noli, nangingibabaw talaga yung sinasabi natin, yung natural talent
Oo.
nitong si Silas Mills dito sa larong ito.
Pag gusto niya maglaro, kaya-kaya.
Oo,
Donald
yan,
Williams nasapal. John Best. At may foul. Natatawagin laban kay Silas Mills. Loose ball foul yan. Neither team in the penalty. Third foul, however, ni Silas Mills with 15.3 seconds remaining sa third quarter.
Ito yung sinasabi nating delikado ng mga flashes of brilliance nitong si Silas Mills. Importante lang ma-maintain niya. Huwag lang maging flash, maging all game long.
Well, right now, mukhang seryoso na. He's all business. John Best, nilabas kay Victor Pablo. Jump shot, yes!
Well, ito na yung contribution by Vic Pablo.
Outlet. Uy, foul si Donald Williams dyan. Uy, nako. Nagilit ka dyan. Pag tinamaan mo si referee Bernarte, medyo problema yan. Well, they're not yet in the penalty.
Well, that's still a good foul. Kung wala sila sa penalty, that means, tignan natin.
Ayun, ang tulak. Mills actually, or rather McLary actually had a leap on Donald Williams. Perry Ronquillo rolling up his sleeves now. Well, it's time to go to work, guys. And they're certainly working hard here. Royal turnover laban kay Silas Mills with only 0.9 of a second remaining.
Sinasabi natin, may flashes of brilliance itong si Silas Mills.
And
Minsan
lapses
naman,
also.
Lapses naman sa kabila.
Pinato ni Williams. Tingnan natin, wala po yung kanyang bato. But what a third quarter it has been. A high-scoring third quarter. Silas Mills has all of a sudden taking charge of this ball game. 13 third quarter points. At abante na ang Mobiline by 2, 70-68 after 3 quarters.